Hello friends, today we'll learn about the calculation of Ishta Phala and Kashta Phala of a horoscope in Shadbala after doing all the calculations of rest of the bulbs. Ishta Phala means good and Kashta Phala means bad. The planet which is having more Ishta Phala will give the auspicious favorable result and it is positive manifestation of planetary strength, and Kashta Phala auspicious and favorable result and it provides the challenges. If a planet is having more Ishta Phala, then it is inclined to produce good result or beneficial result during its Mahadasha or Antardasha. And similarly, if a planet is having more Kashta Phala, it is inclined to give bad or evil result, Mahadasha or Antardasha of that particular planet. How do we calculate the Ishta Phala and Kashta Phala? For doing the calculation of Ishta Phala and Kashta Phala, we prerequisite is we need to calculate the Uccha and Chesta. The calculation of both of these, we have direct formula to calculate the Ishta Phala and the Kashta Phala. The formula for Ishta Phala is Uccha of that planet multiplied by Chesta and doing the under root of it. So we'll get the Ishta Phala. For Sun, Uccha is 49.30, Chesta is 51.80. If we multiply both of these, we'll get 2553.74. If we take under root of it, we will get 50.53. So it is simple calculation, just multiplication, and then using the scientific calculator, you can do the under root to get the Ishta Phala of the planet. The calculation for Kashta Phala is 60 minus Uccha into 60 minus Chesta, and then we have to take the under root. So here I have showed the calculation of every planet, the answers for the calculation, like you multiply and take the under root. So Sun is having the highest Ishta Phala and second highest is Saturn. So in the Mahadasha or Antardasha of these planets, native would expect to have good results. Similarly, for Kashta Phala calculation, we have the values, then we have to subtract it from 60 and then do the Kashta Phala calculation. So these are the answers for Kashta Phala calculation. So Mars is having highest Kashta Phala and second highest is Jupiter. So Mahadasha or Antardasha of these Mars and Jupiter, the unfavorable outcome might be there. This is simple representation for what is the Ishta Phala and the Kashta Phala of a planet. Sun is having 50.53 as Ishta Phala and 9.37 as Kashta Phala. Saturn is having the Ishta Phala of 38 and Kashta Phala of 21. Venus is having Ishta Phala of 32.50 and Kashta Phala of 5.5. Mercury is 28.65, then 31.18. Moon is 22.28 as Ishta Phala and 26.05 as Kashta Phala. Jupiter is 10.79 as Ishta Phala and 34.09 as Kashta Phala, and Mars is having 9.75 as Ishta Phala and Kashta Phala is 42.53. So for that particular horoscope, the Ishta Phala of Sun, then Venus, Saturn and Mercury is in the energy, and Mars, Jupiter and Moon are more dominant on the Kashta Phala side. We know now how to calculate the Ishta Phala and Kashta Phala. So if Kashta Phala is higher for a particular planet, then it will influence the negative side, and if it is powerful in the direction of Ishta Phala, then it will be positive influence. When we analyze any horoscope and then we see the Mahadasha or Antardasha of a planet, so based on the high level circumstances, the placement of the that Mahadasha Lord or Antardasha Lord, as well as when we see the Ishta Phala and the Kashta Phala of the Mahadasha and Antardasha Lord, then we can have a high level overview of how this period will be. So it is that kind of tool which we can use to support our prediction part. Thank you.